there. So, for our SQL problem number three, we're going to be identifying the restaurant with the longest continuous opening hours, including overlapping hours within the restaurant details table. So, first, we're going to be getting the restaurant details, restaurant ID, and then we're going to be using the timestamp diff function, hour, and get the opening hours and then the closing hours within the restaurant details table and alias it as duration. We're also going to be getting again the restaurant details opening hours and restaurant details closing hours from our restaurant details table as alias RD, where the RD status is active. And then we're going to be ordering it duration descending, which means that the highest opening hours and closing hours of the restaurant is going to be pulled up first, limit to one. And this is what the result looks like after running the code into the MySQL PHP admin. Goodbye.